Okay, so let's look at C. So C, crazy about, crazy. We are crazy about chocolate. We are crazy about cake. Is she crazy about him? Is he crazy about her? Maybe. The cause of. The cause. What started something? What's the cause of the pain? Ooh. What's the cause of all this mess? What is the cause of that catastrophe? The weather. And compare someone to. I need to compare. I need to compare someone. Compared with him. Compared with him, she is nice. Compared to that, it is really big. Compared to chocolate, it is sweet. Compared with him, they are nice. Compared with them, he is pleasant. Compared to that, it is cheap. Compared to them, these are expensive. Compare to, compare with. Very nice. How things are different. Things are different. Makes sense. How cool is that? And concentrate on. Concentrate on teaching. I only concentrate on teaching. Every day I concentrate on recording and writing more lessons, learning Spanish, reading and doing research. That's all I concentrate on. I concentrate on recording first thing in the morning. Nothing else. Get the camera, whiteboard, camera, get ready, be presentable, be clean, and I concentrate on teaching, nothing else. I concentrate on getting another course created, nothing else. I congratulate him on winning the achievement, winning the award. Congratulate. Congratulations. We congratulate you on winning the award. She congratulated me on being an awesome teacher. They congratulated her on the achievement. Congratulate, like a trophy. Like a trophy. Let's try and do a little quick trophy. Like a trophy, going first place. Trophy. Very good. And count on. Count on, like to trust someone. You can count on me to create more English courses. I can count on you to leave a review. You can count on me to teach all sorts of topics. They can count on me to I can count on my research to come up with more ideas for lessons. She can count on me to be there on time. Makes sense. Criticize someone for. Criticize. Criticize. You shouldn't have done that. He criticized me for not doing a good job. I criticized him for being late. They want to criticize you for watching videos. Makes sense. They are going to criticize him for reading books all day. Yeah. How cool is that? So crazy about chocolate, crazy about her. Cause of. What started something? Who is the cause of this mess? Compared to him, they are clean. Compared with her, she is nice. And concentrate and do nothing else. Just concentrate on one thing. I concentrate on videos. Concentrate on reading, concentrate on Spanish, concentrate on research, nothing else. That's all I focus on, concentrate. Congratulate. Congratulate her, congratulate him. First prize, first place. Count on, you can trust me, you can count on me to do a course, you can count on her to be there on time. And criticise. Criticise them for being late. Criticise her for talking loudly. You shouldn't do that. Criticise. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.